So how do you get the Brightspace app for parents onto your phone so that you're always up to date of your child's learning and progress? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to type in Brightspace Pulse. There are two options, one for your child, which is Brightspace Pulse, and then you have the Brightspace Parent. So you're going to click on it. You're going to download it, and then what happens is it's going to show up on your phone, and this is a great app to keep yourself up to date, stay on top of deadlines, but also it allows you to see your child's grade. So you're going to press get started, and you're going to type in Toronto. Please choose the Toronto TDSB, and then once that happens, it's going to take you to the site of the parents. The top here is for students and staff, and then here on the bottom would be for parents. So you're going to click on it, and then you can put in your email that is associated with the school and also the password. If you haven't done so, you're going to click on sign up, and there is a video that actually teaches you how to do it step by step, or you can watch the tutorial and then you can sign up for Brightspace, and then you can keep track of your child's information. So once that happens, all of it, you're going to be able to keep up to date with your child's progress. So hope you have fun. If you have any questions, feel free to email.